Hey there everyone, this week we came to Kos, but till this moment we did a lot of stuff. Like, first of all, we changed all our old batteries because we find out that the old ones were close to dead, so we didn't want to take the risk to carry them all around while we're visiting the islands. So we changed them in boardroom, and other than that we also changed the position of the location of the water filter and also connected to the tap. Now we are having filtered water, okay to drink from the tap, so no plastic bottles.
When you're feeling down and low, there's really only one way to go. You need to crawl back on your feet and keep on fighting.
Welcome back on board after another week. We are now in Kos, as you already heard, and well, there's a couple of things that keep sticking out wherever we go, no matter if it's dacha or boardroom or now Kos as well. And that's, well, mostly plastic is everywhere. We found the beach today that was pretty much, well, not just dirty, there was just a crazy amount of plastic flying around. Also, even on the way over from boardroom to Kos, there was quite a bit of like little styrofoam bits and pieces and like these pool sausage thingies floating around. So it's amazing how much of this garbage you really find everywhere. And the other thing is the amount of fishing boats. I mean, Dacha was a relatively small place, and still in the harbor there was 20-30 boats. Small ones mostly, but still. Here right now on the other side of this bay there's another good 20-30 boats, even though the season hasn't even started. And all day you can see, well, one or the other going in and out. So there's quite a big amount of pressure on the fish populations in the area, and I have the feeling that the trend will keep going like this throughout the entire Mediterranean. Also, we had a little change of plans again. We were talking about going to Crete a while ago, and yesterday we finally were able to confirm that. So we are not crossing the Aegean Sea, we're not going through Corinth yet. So for now we're starting in Kos, we're going up to Kalymnos and then working our way down, well, in a kind of southeasterly half circle to the eastern corner of Crete, and slowly work our way all the way to Plakias, which is on the south side of Crete, and we should be there on the 10th of May, starting a 1-month survey operation. Ultimately the idea there is to create a small marine protected area, since just like here and everywhere else we've been so far, there's too many fishing boats for too small an area, so they wanted to designate one certain spot that we are supposed to look at as a protected area where fishermen are not allowed to go at all, just to give the stocks one small refugee spot really to recover.